Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is October and a whole new topic. I am so excited to be getting started on this whole brand new topic. And this is our Monday Compass, where we get an overview. Victoria, what are you going to tease us with?
Well, so since you're like our digital best friends, you're digital besties, and we hang out together here in the digital living room, I wanted to let you in on a little secret. And that little secret is I'm already working on the class that I'll be launching next year, which will have with it as a companion a physical textbook. So as I'm starting to use the things that didn't get included in my book that is coming out very soon for you, I'm finding all these little nuggets of things that I pulled out because they either weren't quite right or they weren't quite developed or whatever. So one of those buckets is something called the components of narrative. Now, you may recognize last week we talked about the concept of narrative distance in our last module. So the next one that I want to share with you is what I like to refer to as narrative speed. Now, I'm not going to give you any spoilers, but since we've already covered distance, come back tomorrow and we'll dive into speed. Kathleen?
Oh, wow, I'm so excited about that. I can't even imagine what narrative speed is like. I'll be thinking about that between now and tomorrow. Well, this again is a whole new month, so we have a whole new character trait. It takes a solid month to explore a character trait and get down to all of the corners and all of the interesting things that make one character trait distinct from another character trait, and yet together they make some amazing stories, especially when we put them a little askew and we put things that normally go together and we split them apart because we understand that they're separate character traits. So we have another whole new character trait for the month of October. And if you subscribe to my newsletter, you already know what that character trait we're going to be tackling is. Okay, I will let you know. Hey, Victoria, it is kindness. This will be our new character trait. And it'll be kind of interesting because the last 2 months we did affability and courtesy. Now we have kindness. Ooh, those three all seem pretty tied up together, don't they? Well, come back tomorrow for our map session and we'll start teasing them apart for good. Anything to add, Victoria, or should we just make them wait till tomorrow?
I say we wrap it and make them wait. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, bye-bye.